guys, Steph here. Here we have another pen just finished and ready to go. A lovely pen. Now for you eagle-eyed viewers out there, you regular viewers, you would have seen this pen in one of my recent pen hauls here. There you go. Now this one was rather tired, quite dirty, had crudded up feed, the clip itself rather loose, etc. Just needed a very good deep clean. And after that deep clean, here's the pen in question. A absolutely gorgeous Parker Duofold. Now this is the Parker Duofold striped version, or some of you people will know it as the Duovac. Now this particular pen, the Duovacs, came in numerous different sizes, different configurations, obviously different colours and different filling system. Now this one, as we'll show you in a moment, is what we term as a button filler, which again we'll show you in a moment. Now before I do that, let me just show you the barrel imprint. I need to check where it is because it's a little bit difficult to see over the camera, so I'm hoping you can see it there. It reads Parker Duofold, made in USA, and then just to the right it has a date number 2. Okay, so the date number 2 gives the date of this pen to 1942. Again, made in USA. It comes in this lovely greys, mauve, sort of purpley colour with these black lines running down the length of the pen, as you can see. Absolutely lovely. To the end we've got this black blind cap to the end, and if we take you up to the top there, you can see the cap has quite a wide cap band, and then to the top there we have this, not a narrow clip now as some of you would expect from a Parker, but what they termed as a streamlined clip. Okay, you can see it's got Parker running down the sort of length, and this particular clip, rather unusual, I say unusual, but I have actually seen them before, is a nickel clip. To the very top there you can see we've got this black cap stud to the top. Okay, now whether this would have had a gold plated clip, maybe, but as I say, I have actually seen them with this nickel clip as it's got here, so not too unusual in my opinion, but well, it came with the pen. So what we've done, as we've said, we've cleaned everything, restored the pen, we've put a brand new sack in the pen, so we've now got a fully working fountain pen. The size of it, capped 130mm capped. Around the barrel it's a sort of, well, it's a tad over 11mm in diameter. Now if we unscrew the cap for you, let's show you the pen in a couple of different angles. As you can see, lovely and clean, ready to go. Let's take you up to this section there. Okay, it's got quite a small section, but what you'll see just to the bottom of the section, it has a little ink view window. Okay, so that's all been cleaned out, so it's nice and clear, as you can see there. Now the ink view window, it's not to sort of show you how much ink you've actually got in the pen, but when you're actually writing, it'll give you an indication when you may be actually getting a little bit low on ink and ready to fill the pen again. We've got this little nib on it here. Now this is a warranted 14 karat gold nib. There's a sideways view, and then we've got the recognisable sort of section underneath there. This ladder, sorry, not section, this feed, this ladder feed underneath, as you can see there. So all in all, a very nice pen, a lovely size. I've got large hands, and in my hands it's lovely and comfortable to hold and to write with. As we said earlier, this one, if we unscrew the blind cap for you, there you go, you can see it's what we term as a button filler. And what you may notice as well, if I just turn it round for you there, you'll notice this little metal piece just on the ridge of the threads there. That's actually showing us that inside we have what we term as a crooked pressure bar, which again is correct for the period. And to fill these pens, nice and simple, you would dip the nib and the section in the ink and press down, you know, a number of times on the button to fill the pen. Now, because I've put a brand new sack in the pen, I'm not going to fill it. I'm going to leave that pleasure to a new owner. But what we'll do, if I bring on some paper to the side here, we'll do a nice little dip test and just see how the pen writes. So what we've got is a Parker Duofold. Some people call it the Duvac. It's a striped version. This one is made in USA, and it was made in the USA, as we've said, 1942. Let's just give it another little dip. Writing very nicely indeed, and writing, I would say, with a fine line. I do not expect it to have a flexi nib, so as you can see there, it's writing with a fine nib, but nice, writing very nicely indeed. So there's a writing sample, writing with a fine line and writing very nicely indeed. Let's just give that a little bit of clean with a tissue. Then what we'll do, we'll clean the nib after the video and have it ready to go. So there we have it, this absolutely gorgeous, stunning colours, greys, mauves, pinks, purples, black lines running down the length of the pen. Gorgeous. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy, give the video, give it a thumbs up, please do. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me in this gorgeous pen, bye bye for now.